Hey guys, so this is a quick video of the Xiaomi A27i with the Xiaomi G27i. Like, what are the differences and what are the things you have to be aware of? So first thing first, I make this like spec comparison for you. So first thing first, when you're gonna look here, both got the same size, same resolution. G27i got like faster IPS. Also, refresh rate is better for the G27. Response time is also better for G27. Both got same brightness, same contrast, same color accuracy, same HDR. No, HDR is better also for G27. And adaptive sync, you have like FreeSync Premium here. And here you're gonna have also 3.5mm audio. And you have also like DC dimming and 2 certify. Power is more. So for G27, you want to actually like use it for, it's kind of like gaming monitor. The A27i is great for the office productivity monitor. 100 HD refresh rate and response time is great. It's fine for like everyday tasks, but for gaming, like you want to go with the G27i. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope it provided you value at least a little bit about what you can actually expect out of both. So have a great day and goodbye.